Wayne Stokes, Managing Quantity Surveyor of Stepnel's. Yeah, so the project was the refurbishment of existing building stock that Southampton University had that they had taken out of use. Due to a spike in student numbers, they needed higher student accommodation numbers, so they decided to refurbish this building on a quick fast-track project to allow it to be used and functional for September. Yeah, so the procurement was a two-stage tender. This allowed us and the client to work collaboratively, get onto site very quickly, complete surveys and investigation works. It also meant some of the high-risk items such as asbestos could be carried out early to minimise the impact on the programme. Being involved early, we could identify any long lead-in items that we knew about to make sure that they stayed out of the project brief and needs so that the end date could still be achieved. And where lead-in items couldn't be avoided, such as fire doors, we open and collaboratively worked with the client to identify these, cost them and get them on order so that they were delivered in time for the completion date. So one of the key challenges was that the incoming water supply was seen to be not fit for purpose, but it was identified late in the programme. Luckily, we have a good resource of direct operatives at Stepnel, so we were able to react quickly to put additional resource onto the project, including managers, so that we could deliver the additional works, provide suitable incoming water and still achieve the client's end date. Time was of the essence so that the university could use the building and the accommodation for September and take new students in. Obviously, refurbishment threw up a number of challenges and unknowns throughout the process. So a collaborative approach with the client and the consultant team meant that we were able to quickly resolve issues, resource them between our direct operatives and the supply chain that was brought into the client's goal of the end date. Finally, obviously, with new students moving into a new area and a new building to everyone, we were able to stay at the end and help familiarise the client and the end users to the building to make sure that any issues or queries they had, we could quickly respond to them, answer them, and make sure that the end user had a pleasant experience whilst moving into their new surroundings.